Yes, go ahead.
There's a question on the board.
Okay, go
It
ahead.
says, Shalom Kavod. It's in regards to the topic.
Okay, go ahead.
When getting to fundraising websites, there are many sad stories, but it's not likely for us to dig out about all the details to know if they are legitimate or not. For unconfirmed information, does it count as poor people in front of you?
No. People make up the story. Many of the people are con artists. Just so you know, all these campaigns. So, but do you know which one? And unless you know personally that person, or somebody, or this rabbi actually verified this story, or somebody verified the story, the person who you trust. So you would not know. I mean, this you have to understand. These owners of the website, they actually charge percentage, right? They provide you with a platform, with the software, with everything. So they charge a percentage for whatever you collect. So do they care? Okay, they do not. They're not going to call everybody and verify is it your plight or maybe you exaggerated. Maybe you have a broken nail and you said you need a liver transplant. I don't know. Okay. So me personally, I do not donate in these websites, but people do. I mean, they can do whatever they want. So, but I think there are many crooks in there. Okay, but always you have to pray to Hashem, so to avoid these crooks. That's very important as well, right? Because you give your hard-earned money, you think it's going to go to this drone, but you see that this WhatsApp that my show got from the person, we know the person. You know, he was, I don't know him personally, but other people know he was one of the Schultz officials many years ago, like on his family, everybody. So he would not make up the things like that. And we know exactly where he lives. And he comes from time to time. I mean, that's what they said. I don't know him, like maybe face I know, but now they need a drone for protection. So this would be like something like connected, something related that it came from his phone number and to the members of the shul. So that would be more legit that somebody said they need bulletproof vest and something. I don't know. Maybe he's going to buy himself a jet or something. I don't know. You know, actually it's time. So let's stop here. So we finished the first chapter. It was very long, but it was like it's covered the definition of Tzedakah Maaser from all of the angles. So next chapter, a definition and support of the poor. So right, so definition of the poor, and you all will be surprised, and how many people are going to fit this category of the poor person. It's from a Talmud. Person who cannot live a year is considered to be poor, and technically he can collect tzedakah. Of course, I mean, me personally, I don't know many people who can survive the year with the savings. I mean, maybe like after they retire, but before they retire, of course there are people like that, but I don't know, not too many that I'm aware of. Usually people they work like live from paycheck to paycheck. Of course, they have some savings, but not that much to live out the whole year. Okay.